Hello everybody. Today's video we're going to be talking about arc length and curvature. These are topics that are starting to get slightly more important for Calculus 3. Everything up to this point is just building, so we can actually get to the calculus aspects. Right now we're still just talking about three dimensions. This is where we actually start getting into the stuff. So first of all, arc length. What's the definition? It's the length of a curve between 2 points that are on the curve. So all of the different things we've been talking about up to this point that are a line, or if it forms some funky curve, you can have a parametric equation for each component of it, and you'd measure out exactly how far it travels along any given path. So that's what the arc length is. You have dealt with it hopefully back in just 2 dimensions. We had this type of formula, where you have your length based off of the derivative of your function based off of some other parameter. Well, it continues on into 3 dimensions where we just end up adding your third derivative as well of dz dt added in. Now curvature, we need a few things for this to work. We need a vector function, and we need it to be smooth, which that means we have to have the derivative of our vector function to be continuous and not 0. If it's 0, that's because of 2 issues. Now, when we're talking about our vector function derivative, we're talking about the derivative of each component of our function. Keep that in mind. From there, we can get our unit tangent vector, which here's how we define the tangent vector. And in general, it's just going to be the derivative of the vector function. But the unit tangent one, you always want to divide by your magnitude to give you a magnitude 1. And then finally, your curvature is given by this formula down here. So this is determining how exactly curved your line usually is. All right. So these are the basic ideas for this video. There's not too much for it. The examples are going to get fairly complicated in class. So make sure you come in, pay attention. See you next time.